This is such a cool app. It prints out these games on these receipts like tic-tac-toe and dots, and it would probably work best for restaurants that needs to entertain kids or me. Today we're doing a full deep dive on the Clover Duo. We'll be unboxing, walking through the hardware and setup, talking about the software and apps, and then running live transactions at the end. If you're a business owner considering the Clover Duo, this video will show you exactly what to expect from the moment you open a box to the moment you run your first live sale. Unboxing. Let's start with what's in the box. Inside, you'll find the Clover Duo terminal, the receipt printer, customer-facing display, the hub, power adapter, all necessary cables and setup materials. If you're installing multiple devices, always take note of the serial numbers. Those become important for activation, tracking, and support later on. Once everything is laid out on a clean surface, you can see the system is designed to be straightforward and organized. The heart of the setup is the hub. This is what makes the Clover Duo more than just a card reader. This is what allows you to build a complete register system, not just take payments. You can connect a receipt printer, cash drawer, barcode scanner, and even hardwire the device for maximum reliability. Startup and initial setup. We're going to flip these over. And take this cord, the pink diamond, goes with this pink diamond. The other end plugs into mini. We'll take this blue circle and plug it into here. The circle right here with this blue circle. Put that in. This cord is under the printer. So we're just gonna align this and match this blue circle with this blue circle. Then we're gonna open this up like that. Push the green lever. Put in the receipt roll with paper facing up. Close this, push it, close. Then, once you have everything connected, you can take this green little screwdriver and tighten everything. Done. Now these cables won't come out. And you're all set. Here we have the Clover Station Hub with a power cable connection, an Ethernet cable connection if needed. And on the back, we have additional connections for any additional hardware that you might need depending on your business. Here we're going to connect power cable. This cable connects into here, and then this connects directly into an outlet. From there, you'll connect to Wi-Fi or Ethernet and confirm your business settings. VMS will configure the device in English unless otherwise requested, and any necessary software updates will already be completed before the device is sent out. Once everything is plugged in, the Duo powers on and walks you through the setup process. In most cases, businesses are operational very quickly. Now that it's powered up, let's talk about physical design. The Clover Duo is a two-screen POS system, one screen for the employee and one dedicated display for the customer. It has a fixed, stable base designed specifically for countertop environments. The customer-facing display accepts tap, chip, and swipe payments directly. This system is geared toward retail and restaurant environments where transactions happen from a central counter throughout the day. It's compact, stable, and built to stay in place during busy hours. Some people confuse the Clover Duo with the Clover Station. The Clover Station flips its screen toward the customer, while the Duo has a permanently dedicated customer-facing display. The Duo is more compact and purpose-built as a dual-screen checkout system. You can connect a Clover Mini to a station to expand functionality, but the Duo is designed from the ground up to deliver that two-screen experience in one integrated system. They serve similar environments, but the Duo is often selected for its size and streamlined customer interaction. This is where the Clover Duo separates itself from basic terminals. This runs on Clover's full POS software. Before we get into the app ecosystem, it's important to understand that the Clover Duo isn't just a device on your counter. It also includes the Clover Dashboard, a secure, web-based back office you can access from any desktop or laptop. From the dashboard, you can manage inventory, update pricing, add employees, adjust permissions, and review detailed sales reports. Any changes made in the dashboard sync directly to the Duo in real time. The terminal handles transactions, the dashboard helps you manage the business. If you've ever used an Android phone, the interface will feel very familiar. You have the Register app for processing sales, Orders for more detailed ticket management, Transactions for reviewing payment history, Refunds, discounts, tip management, employee permissions, inventory tracking, and built-in reporting. It's intuitive, responsive, and designed for everyday business use. Now, let's run a real sale. You're going to open the Register app, select an item. Here you can add a modifier if needed. Then I'm going to click Pay. The order receipt will be printed. And depending on how I'm going to pay, I can select card, cash, or other. In this case, I'm going to select cash, exact change, pay cash. There. And then your receipt will print, and usually the cash drawer will open. Now for a card sale, you'll select an item, add a modifier if needed, pay. The receipt prints with the order, and I'll select card. Then the customer will insert their card, swipe, tap, sign if needed. After payment, they can choose a printed, emailed, or text receipt. From here, we can review the transaction in history, and if needed, issue a refund. Everything is tracked in real time. Optional reporting at the end of the day provides a full breakdown of sales, employees, and payment types. One of the biggest advantages of Clover is the app ecosystem. It works similarly to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. It has both free and paid apps depending on your business's needs. This allows you to customize your Duo based on your industry. For restaurants, apps like Smart Online Ordering, Promos, Rewards, and Inventory Plus help manage menus, online orders, and repeat customers. Age verification can also be useful for alcohol sales. For retail businesses, Easy Labels, Inventory Plus, and gift cards make product management and promotions much easier. For salons and spas, Salon Scheduler and Waitlist Me help manage appointments and customer flow, while tip management integrates seamlessly. For automotive businesses, employee scheduling with Homebase, payroll integration through Gusto, and detailed reporting tools can be extremely valuable. Davo can help automate sales tax filing, and CashPro assists with cash management. The flexibility here is what makes Clover powerful. You don't build your system on day one, you add tools as your business grows. Let's get into the apps. Register app. Register is the core sales app. This is where transactions are processed, whether you're in a restaurant, retail shop, spa, or auto business. Orders app. Orders is ideal for restaurants or service environments that need to manage tickets, organize multiple items, and track open orders before payment. Transactions app. Transactions allow you to review payment history, look up past sales, and quickly access detailed transaction records. Refunds app. The refunds function makes it easy to issue returns or reverse transactions. which is especially useful in retail and automotive environments. Inventory app. Inventory lets you organize products, track stock levels, and manage categories. Perfect for retail stores, auto parts businesses, and restaurants managing ingredients. Employees app. The Employees section allows you to create staff profiles, assign permissions, and track activity by employee. Rewards app. Rewards helps restaurants, retail stores, and salons build repeat business by offering loyalty programs directly through the system. Smart Online Ordering app. Smart Online Ordering allows restaurants to accept online orders that flow directly into the Duo, eliminating the need to re-enter tickets. Promos app. Promos lets you create special offers and discounts. Great for retail promotions or limited time restaurant specials. Gift Cards app. Gift cards allow businesses to sell and redeem digital or physical gift cards directly through the Clover system. Homebase app. Homebase is a popular employee scheduling and time tracking app, ideal for restaurants, salons, and retail environments. Gusto app. Gusto integrates payroll directly with your system, which can streamline operations for growing businesses. Davo app. Davo automates sales tax filing by setting aside tax funds daily and handling submissions automatically. Inventory Plus Plus app. Inventory Plus Plus adds more advanced inventory management features, especially helpful for high-volume retail and restaurant environments. Easy Labels app. Easy Labels helps retail stores generate and print product labels quickly and efficiently. Age Verification app. Age verification helps businesses selling age-restricted products confirm customer age at checkout. Salon Scheduler app. Salon Scheduler is designed for spas and salons to manage appointments and service bookings directly through the POS. Waitlist Me app. Waitlist Me helps restaurants and salons manage customer waitlists digitally. Cash Pro app. Cash Pro assists businesses in managing and tracking cash flow within the register. EBT Quick Qualifier app. EBT functionality requires specific configuration and hardware, so it's important to confirm compatibility before setup. For businesses using a cash discount program, the Clover Duo can automatically adjust pricing based on payment type. This allows menu pricing to reflect card pricing while automatically applying adjustments when customers pay with cash. The system handles logic at checkout, making the process seamless. As with any pricing program, compliance and proper signage are important. But from a system standpoint, the Duo fully supports this functionality. That's the Clover Duo, from unboxing to live sale. It's a versatile, integrated point-of-sale system built for retail and restaurant environments. If you're currently using a basic terminal or an older system, this system is a significant upgrade. If you have any questions or want to see if this is the right fit for your business, feel free to reach out. I'm Jackie, and we'll see you next time with more exciting small business news.
Believe in small business.